the GHI, GHI, GHI. Let's learn the GHI of the alphabet. Let's begin with letter G. G is for giraffe, giraffe, giraffe. G is for glue, glue, glue. G is for Gabriel, Gabriel, Gabriel. Now we go with letter H. H is for horse, horse, horse. H is for house, house, house. H is for Haley, Haley, Haley. It's the turn for letter I. I is for iguana, iguana, iguana. I is for island, island, island. I is for Ivan, Ivan, Ivan. Congratulations! We just learned the letters G, H, and I.